Welcome back, YouTube. We are officially back. I got my audio situated, so now we should be sounding correctly. We're coming out of both sides. All right. I had it in mono somehow. So cool. So what we're doing today is we are changing a belt that is going to be first. And then I got some headlights coming in. So 2 videos into 1 video. So we're going to do the belt first. This thing is squeaking like crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a clip. Yeah, pretty bad. So especially when you get up to into the RPM. So we will go ahead and get her done. Still looking pretty gorgeous as usual. So we'll go ahead and get her done. Yeah, let's get right into it. All right, first thing we're going to do is grab our 15 millimeter. We're going to attack this right here, which has a bolt right here. This is going to be our belt tensioner. So we're going to pull that back so we can get that belt off. All right, so we'll get that on there. And you want to get it to where it starts over here so you can, boom, just like that. So we'll undo that and take that off. Wrap that under. And get it from here. And get that pulled out. So now that we got the belt off, I like to just go ahead and inspect it. I don't know what was making it squeak, honestly, but I mean, it's still technically in pretty good shape. Jesus, it's still in pretty good shape overall. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep this under seat of my driver's seat, just in case somehow the new one just explodes. We have a backup because obviously it's not bad. It just makes noise. So let's get that new one put into the truck. Let's do it. We're going to run this down all the way to the crank. Get it on the crank first, since that's the furthermost point. Right. We'll at least have it down there. So once it's down there, we'll run this under. Get this to where it comes over here to the power steering pump. Boom. AC compressor. Boom. Run it under the idler. Boom. Back around to the alternator. Oh, we'll take it off the alternator. My bad. We'll take it off the alternator, put it on there. Now we can get some tension going. So we'll pull it enough. We'll get it on there. But that was so much easier. So if y'all are doing this job, to make it easier on y'all, route everything first, leave the power steering last. It just went on like a glove. All right. Make sure every one of them is seated properly, which it looks to be. Let's start it up and see if it's going to make some noise. Well, as you can see, we're not squeaking. We are not squeaking. I love it. Next thing is going to be the headlights. So we got our headlights, we got our LEDs. We're gonna go ahead and get that replaced since here, obviously, you know, my black hole situation. And we're gonna get that cleared up. So of course, here's the before, and we're gonna see the after. So we're gonna start off. Obviously, I don't have the trim piece right here. I already took that off. So if you have a trim piece on here, take it off. This one was just pretty rough, so I just went ahead and take that off. So go ahead and grab you a 3/8 or even a 10 millimeter. You have one bolt here, one bolt down here, one bolt on the side here. So we'll go ahead and get that going. Easy peasy. We should just be able to pull it out. Got to give it a little force. Be careful because we still have our wires here. So we'll pull that bulb out. Put that to the side. And wiggle the rest out. You see a nice little spider family right there. I got my LED headlights here, so we're gonna go ahead and put that in. I don't have my turn signals yet, which are gonna be switchbacks. So they didn't come in yet. They are like lost in transit. So I went ahead and ordered a different pair. I'm gonna put that in the morning was when it's supposed to come in. But right now we're gonna go ahead and put the new headlights in, put the actual headlight bulbs in, the LEDs from Oxito, not sponsored. And we'll see how they look at least, and then we'll update in the morning with right after this how that looks as well. So I just wanted to show the light itself. So this is the headlight, and then we also got a new locker ring for the back of the headlight to lock this in place, and it actually came with a rubber gasket. All right, we're gonna try with our best abilities to get this in with one hand. Like I said, my other camera had overheated, so I had to resort to different things. So we're going to turn it until we feel it give. And we're going to put some pressure and turn. Yeah, I got to do this with two hands. Give me 1 second. All right, we successfully got it in there, which if you can see in there, we have it literally side to side. So lights coming off on both sides. Obviously, that's what you want. So yeah, we got that in there. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put that baby in there. Right, I would be lying if I told y'all how I got this in here was easy, because stuff was not lining up. But that's what you can expect for cheap headlights. But at the same time, my God, does that look good? Crystal clear will always look good. So only problem is these do move around a little bit, but I think there's some screws I got to readjust. We're gonna turn these on and see what it looks like. Let's see. That bulb's on. What we got? Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, and when those become freaking switchbacks, beautiful. Hopefully these are bright. Let's put this side in so we can go. Then we'll test it out later on. All right. Yo, and after a miserable, ooh, that needs to be tucked. I can't wait to get another grill. Anyway, after a miserable couple of attempts, we are looking good. They look good. Let's turn them on. See what these boys look like. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah. We'll obviously do some adjustments later on. Hopefully these are bright. These were pretty cheap because I just wanted to test them out, see how it is, because I'm most likely going to get some stronger ones. But for now, they'll do. We just don't have a black eye anymore. That's the main thing. So we are looking good. We're looking normal again. Can you believe it? So I'll update y'all once I get that and that, well, boom, replaced. And actually, we're gonna do a little snap on it. Ready? Boom. Just like that. Look at those. Oh, that looks so good. And it's pretty bright. Which obviously I'm gonna get driving clips, but looks so much more. Let me see if I can get it to focus in. Yeah, crystal clear. Absolutely crystal clear. Looks so good. We'll see what it looks like on the road. Hopefully y'all can hear me, but this is what it looked like. It's pretty bright, can't complain. It lights up the road. You can see on both sides. It's almost like they're acting like fog lights. It's pretty cool. Can't wait for the rest of the stuff to come in. So I got actual fog lights coming in, but so far, I'm pretty impressed. I'm gonna hit the high beams. Yeah, them are not high beams. Them's no high beams. So I don't know what the hell we gonna do about that, but these are good enough, so I don't have to really worry about it. So overall, very, very nice. So y'all can see, very nice, very bright. Just can't wait to get those changed out. But overall, looks really, really good, really fresh. So appreciate y'all tuning in. That is all that I have for you. So we are out like a light. But that's gonna wrap it up. I appreciate y'all tuning in. If you have some feedback, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Just like, comment, subscribe. All I ask is don't be an ass. I appreciate y'all.